Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. If you're managing sign-offs for documents, approvals, or just need a simple way to collect digital signatures, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your form to gather those signature files smoothly and professionally. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, I'm going to assume you've already created a form in Smartsheet. If you haven't, no worries. You can check out our previous video on how to build your first form. But if your form is ready and you're specifically looking to add a spot for digital signatures, here's what you need to do. First things first, we need to recognize that Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in signature field like some other platforms. But don't let that stop you. What we can do is allow people filling out your form to upload an image or a scanned copy of their signature. Think of it almost like adding an attachment to an email. The person signs a piece of paper, snaps a photo, and then uploads it directly through your form. To set this up, take a look at the form builder and notice the panel on the left side of your screen. This area is packed with different elements you can add to your form. Scroll through until you spot the File Upload field. If you've never used it before, it looks like a little folder, pretty intuitive. Now here's the fun part. Click on that File Upload option, but instead of just clicking, go ahead and click and drag it onto your actual form layout. Find a spot where it makes the most sense. Usually toward the bottom of your form, right after the main questions or fields, is a good place. Wherever you drop it, this will be the space where people can upload their signature files. Once it's placed, let's make it really clear for your users. By default, Smartsheet might label this field just as File Upload, but we want to specify exactly what should go here. Click on the field name and change it from File Upload to Signature. This way, there's no confusion, people instantly know what's being asked. Next, to make it even friendlier, add a little help text under the field. You might type something like, "Please upload your digital signature here, thank you." This extra note really helps guide your form users, especially if they're not used to uploading their signature. Trust me, little friendly instructions can save a lot of back-and-forth emails. That's the core setup. Once you're happy with how your new field looks, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top right. It only takes a second, but it's easy to overlook. And there you have it. Your Smartsheet form now has a convenient, customized spot for digital signatures, making your workflow look more professional and making life easier for everyone involved. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. If you've got any questions, run into hiccups, or just want to share how you're using Smartsheet forms, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And of course, subscribe so you're always in the loop with our latest how-to guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.